If the last quiz felt easy, this one won't. Alright, no guessing your way through this one. Let's see if you actually understand these. 1. What is a zero-day vulnerability versus zero-day exploit? You have 10 seconds to think. Your time starts now. A vulnerability is the unknown flaw. An exploit is the method used to attack it. If you mix those up, you're not alone. 2. What is privilege escalation? Your time starts now. This is when an attacker gains higher access rights than they're supposed to have, like going from a normal user to admin. Basically, going from guest to owner without permission. 3. Which of these is a form of passive reconnaissance? A. Port scanning. B. Social media profiling. C. Network probing. Your time starts now. Answer B. Passive means gathering info without directly interacting with the target system. 4. What is the difference between IDS and IPS? Your time starts now. IDS equals detects and alerts. IPS equals detects and actively blocks. One watches, the other acts. 5. What is a hash collision? Your time starts now. A hash collision happens when two different inputs produce the same hash output. Not common, but very dangerous when exploited. 6. Which attack involves intercepting communication between two parties? A. Phishing. B. Man in the middle. C. Brute force. Your time starts now. Answer B. Classic, but still very relevant. 7. What is salting in password security? Your time starts now. Salting adds random data to a password before hashing to prevent attackers from using pre-computed tables, basically making passwords harder to crack even if they're leaked. 8. What is a rainbow table? Your time starts now. A pre-computed database used to reverse hash values back into plain text passwords, which is exactly why salting exists. 9. What is the difference between symmetric and asymmetric encryption? Your time starts now. Symmetric equals same key. Asymmetric equals public plus private key pair. Speed versus security trade-off. 10. What is DNS spoofing? Your time starts now. This is when attackers redirect you to a fake website by altering DNS records. You think you're on a real site? You're not. 11. What is a logic bomb? Your time starts now. It's a malicious code that activates when specific conditions are met, like a timer, but dangerous. 12. Which of these best describes a pivoting attack? A. Moving laterally through a network after initial access. B. Guessing passwords repeatedly. C. Injecting malicious scripts. Your time starts Answer A. Once inside, attackers don't stop. They expand. 13. What is tokenization? Your time starts now. Replacing sensitive data with non-sensitive tokens that have no exploitable value. Used a lot in payment systems. 14. What is a false positive in security systems? Your time starts now. A system flags something as a threat when it's actually harmless. Too many of these, and people start ignoring alerts. 15. What is the difference between vulnerability assessment and penetration testing? Your time starts now. Vulnerability assessment identifies weaknesses. Penetration testing actively exploits them. One finds the problem, the other proves it can be abused. If some of these felt confusing and you want to actually understand cybersecurity at a deeper level, check the link in my bio. So, how many did you actually understand? Not guess. Because at this level, guessing doesn't help.